Alright, so our hypothesis is that we think the egg will break through the top of the bleachers.
3, 2, 1.
Hold on, I need a minute.
At the side for sure.
We dropped an egg from 11 meter tall bleachers into a .755 meter tall trash can full of shaving cream, and it did not survive.
Okay, so we found the final velocity referencing this picture before it hit the shaving cream. So we did 0 meters per second, which is the drop from someone's hand, plus 2 times negative 9.8 because it's dropping down, and then the 10.245 meters that it's dropping. And then we get 14.1705 meters per second. And then find the time for how long it took to get from the top of the bleachers to the can. We use 14, that same number, that same final velocity, same initial velocity, and then just use 9.8 times time to solve for time, and it's 1.446 seconds.
So we found the net force by taking the mass, which was the mass of the egg, which is 0.061 kilograms, and we multiplied that by the velocity final minus the velocity initial. So the velocity final is 14.1705, which is the number we got over here, and then minus 0, which is just the initial velocity, divided by the time, which is 1.446, which we got over here, and that gave us our net force. Then we used the net force to figure out the impulse by taking the net force and multiplying it by the time we already had, 1.446, giving us the impulse. And then finally we figured out the force, which was just mass times acceleration. So it was the mass of the egg, 0.061 kilograms, times 9.81, which is the acceleration of gravity, and that gave us 0.5984.
Our hypothesis was correct. The egg was destroyed because the shaving cream did not stop the egg's force fast enough. To stop the egg from breaking, we could add more shaving cream into a taller tube.